cut off. To stop all communication with someone. After their breakup, she completely cut him off. Run away with. To leave someone behind and escape with another person. He ran away with his new girlfriend, leaving his family behind. Hold on to. To not let go of a relationship or feeling. Even though they broke up, she held on to the hope of getting back together. Run after. To chase or pursue someone romantically. He kept running after her, but she never gave him a chance. Win over. To convince someone to like or love you. He wasn't sure about her at first, but she slowly won him over. Get out of. To escape from a relationship or situation. She was unhappy for years but didn't know how to get out of the relationship. Give up on. To stop believing in or trying with someone. After many failed attempts to fix their relationship, she gave up on him. Warm up to. To slowly start liking someone. At first, she wasn't sure about him, but she warmed up to him over time. Come on to. To flirt with someone in a direct way. He came on to her at the party, but she wasn't interested. Take to. To develop a liking for someone quickly. She took to him right away because of his kind personality. Pick up. To meet and attract someone romantically. He tried to pick up a girl at the bar but failed miserably. Fall head over heels for. To deeply fall in love with someone. He fell head over heels for her within a few weeks of meeting. Count on. To rely on someone emotionally. She knows she can always count on her best friend for advice. Look after. To take care of someone. He always looks after his girlfriend when she's sick. stick up for. To defend or support someone. She always sticks up for her boyfriend when people criticize him. Go along with. To agree with or accept something. He didn't love the idea of moving in together, but he went along with it because she wanted to. Turn off. To lose attraction to someone because of something they do. She was really into him, but his rude attitude turned her off. Let down. To disappoint someone. He let her down by forgetting their anniversary. Live with. To move in and share a home with a partner. They decided to live together before getting married. Be there for. To support someone emotionally. No matter what happens, he is always there for her. Grow into. To develop love and affection for someone over time. Their love wasn't instant, but they grew into a strong couple. Look forward to. To be excited about something in the future. She looks forward to their wedding day with excitement. Hang out with. To spend time together casually. They love hanging out with each other every weekend. Put off. To delay something in a relationship. They kept putting off their wedding because of work. Come between. To cause problems in a relationship. His jealousy started to come between them, creating tension. Mess up. To ruin or make a mistake in a relationship. He messed up by lying to her, and now she doesn't trust him. Back out of. To decide not to do something last minute. He got cold feet and backed out of the engagement. Take back. To forgive and accept someone again. She took him back even after he cheated on her. Go off. To stop liking someone suddenly. She went off him after he started being rude. Work on. To try to improve a relationship. They are going to couples therapy to work on their relationship. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.